Hi guys, today we'll do one more thread, that is the Acme thread, and various propositions are given, that is the depth of the thread, thickness of the thread. We are assuming the pitch 40 mm and angle of the thread is 29 mm. Let me tell you, this thread, that is the Acme thread, is the combination of square thread and the V thread. So let's start drawing the Acme thread. So first we'll take the line command and we'll draw the first crests of the thread, and the thickness is given, that is 14.82. so we press the first point, then giving the thickness which is 14.82 and then pressing the enter, so then escape to get deactivated the command. Now to draw the two more, so I'll take the line command again and typing TK to keep the tracker on, so keeping it here and giving the pitch of the thread, that is 40, so writing 40 mm and pressing enter twice. Now from here I can once again give the thickness of the thread which is 14.82 and pressing enter key. So again escape, then taking the line command once more, writing the TK and enter, and from here we can give the pitch, that is 40 and pressing twice enter, and then giving the thickness of the thread which is 14.82 and then enter and escape from the command. So this is what we have given, the three crests. Now we have to give the angle of the thread. So for the angle of the thread, again we'll go to the line command. So we'll take the line command and keeping it here and pressing shift and less than sign mark. So pressing shift and the less than sign mark and writing that the angle, that is 104.5, then pressing enter and dropping this line here. So then escape, then we can do it from the other side. Now on the other side we have to give the same thing, we have to press the shift and less than sign, then writing 75.5 and enter and dropping the line here, then escape from the command. Now these two lines can be copied and shifted to this place. So I will go to the copy command and highlighting this one and this one and pressing the enter key, then taking this as a base point and shifting it to this point, copying it there, then pressing enter and the escape. Fine, this part is done. Now we need to give the depth of the thread. That depth of the thread, as you know, that is after putting the value, which that is 20.254. so again we'll go to the line command, then keeping it here and dropping it. No, sorry, I'll take once again the command. I will take the line command, then keeping it here and giving the value, that is 20.254 and press enter and draw a line and press again the enter and then escape. Now this part has been done. Now some cleaning needs to be done. So I'll take a trim command and highlight the objects which I need to trim. Dear students, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, do share this video with your friends and colleagues. So now we can press the enter again to trim off the unwanted lines. So now this is not needed, so just press the left key of the mouse to trim off the unwanted lines. So these are all unwanted lines and I'm pressing the left key of my mouse. Okay, this profile portion has been done, so let's do some more construction work. So I will copy here this line, so I will take this line and copy it here. So I'll go back to the copy command and copy this and press enter, then take this line as a base point and dropping it there, copying rather it there. Okay, then escape. Then I will copy this one also. So going to back to copy command, then press enter, then take this as a base point and dropping it there, then escape from the command. So same could be done on the other side. So let's copy command, take the copy command again, copy this, press enter key and taking it there, this is as a base point, and taking it there and dropping it to this point. This is how it is done. I hope you will like this video. Please, again I'm saying, do share this video with your friends and colleagues. Now we need to do one more part, that is to copy this. This is the students' best possible way I'm trying to explain to my dear students. So again, dropping it there and press escape. Now the profile has been almost done. Now to close down this profile, what I need to do, I need to draw a line here, taking a line command, and just I'm closing the profile so that I can highlight the boundary, then escape again. Now last thing needs to be done, that is I have gone to the hatch mode, then dropping it there. Now this is complete. Let me now show you, that is the dimensions. So I'll go to the dimensions. So dimensions, taking the dimension command and measuring the thickness of the thread, that is it is 14.82. Now I'll show the pitch from this point to this point, it is 40. So this is how it is. I hope you like this video.